In the first question of this exercise, it says find the volume of right circular cone with first part radius 6 centimeters, height 7 centimeters. Second part radius 3.5 centimeters and height 12 centimeters. So radius and height are given and we have to find the volume. Let's do the first part. First part radius is 6, height is 7. We have to find the volume. So volume of a cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 square into height is 7. So this comes out to be 264 cubic centimeters. In the second question, it says find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with first part radius is 7 centimeters and slant height is 25 centimeters. In the second part, height is 12 centimeters and slant height is 13 centimeters. So let's start. In the first part, they have given radius and slant height. So to find the volume, we will need height. So let's first find the height. So to find height, we can use the right triangle where slant height is 25 centimeters, radius is 7 centimeters, and we have to find the height. So we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem that L square is equal to R square plus H square, as we have to find H. So H square is equal to L square minus R square. Let's substitute the values. L square means 25 square minus 7 square. When we will simplify this, we will get 576. H square is equal to 576. It means we have to take square root on both sides to solve for H. So H will be equal to 24 centimeters. So H is equal to 24 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume. So volume, we know that the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we'll substitute the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 square into height is 24. So the answer comes out to be 1232 cubic centimeters. Now we have to change it into liters. We know that 1 centimeter cube or 1 cubic centimeters is equal to 1 by 1000 liters. So we'll divide it by 1000. So 1232 divided by 1000 liters. So it will be equal to 1.232 liters. So the capacity of the first part conical vessel is 1.232 liters. Now let's start the. In the third question, it is given the height of a cone is 15 centimeters if its volume is 1570 cubic centimeters, then find the radius of the base and use pi as 3.14. So they have given the height of the cone and its volume, and then we have to find the radius of the base. So let the radius be r. Now we know that the formula for volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So they have given that volume is 1570 cubic centimeters. We know the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570. Substitute the values of h and pi. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into 15 is equal to 1570. Transpose everything to the right side except r square. So 1570 multiplied by 1 by 3 get reciprocal, 3 by 1 into 3.14 changes to 1 by 3.14 and 15 changes to 1 by 15. So it comes out to be r square is equal to 100. Now we have to solve for r, so we take square root on both sides. So r is equal to 10 centimeters. It means the radius of base of this cone is 10 centimeters. In the fifth question, it says a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meters is 12 meters deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? So they have given the diameter and you can say height or depth of that pit, and they're asking what is the capacity of the pit in kiloliters. So first we will find the volume of that pit in meter cubes, cubic meters, and then we will change it to kiloliters. So let's say what they have given. Diameter is 3.5 meters and depth or you can say height is 12 meters. It will be depth only, but we can denote it by h. Now to find radius, we will half diameter, that is 3.5 divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.75 meters. Now let's find the volume. So volume will be equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. It means 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 whole square into height is 12. So when we multiply this, we get the answer 38.5 cubic meters. Now we know that 1 cubic meters is equal to 1000 liters, and 1000 liters is nothing but 1 kiloliters. It means 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 kiloliters. So this will be equal to 38.5 cubic meters will be equal to 38.5 kiloliters. So the capacity of pit is 38.5 kiloliters. In the seventh question, it is given a right triangle ABC with sides 5 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 13 centimeters is revolved about the side 12 centimeters. Then find the volume of the solid so obtained. That is, there is a right triangle ABC, as you can see in the figure, ABC, with sides 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Now why we have taken this 13 as hypotenuse and 12 and 5 as the other two legs? Because it is a right triangle and it should form a Pythagorean triplet, that is, the square of sum of two sides must be equal to the square of third side, that is 5 square plus 12 square will be equal to 13 square. That is why 13 is the hypotenuse. Now they are saying that this is rotated or revolved about the 12 centimeter, that is it is revolved like this. When it is revolved like this, this 5 centimeters will come here also like this, and this 13 will come here also like this. So this will become a cone like this, that is this 5 will come here also, that will be the radius will be 5 and height will be 13 and the slant height will be height will be 12 and slant height will be 13. Now they are asking to find the volume. We know that the formula for volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the values 1 by 3 into pi into radius is 5, so 5 square, and height is 12 into 12. This comes out to be 100 pi cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of that cone which we got by revolving that right triangle.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.